Looking for a grinder that can deliver more power and performance without the hassles of a cord? Look no further than the new 18V LXT Brushless 4.5-inch cut-off angle grinder. The new XAG06M features automatic speed change technology, which is engineered to adjust speed and torque during grinding or cutting applications for optimum performance, even under heavy load. In addition, the efficient brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge than similar non-brushless tools. The efficient Makita Brushless Motor delivers 8,500 RPM for faster grinding, with soft start to suppress startup reaction for smooth startups and longer gear life. Convenience features include a slide switch with lock-on, a rubberized soft grip, and a 3-stage LED gauge to indicate battery charge level. You also get a compact and ergonomic design for superior balance and comfort. The hard-working XAG06M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new Makita 18V LXT Brushless Angle Grinder is a true cordless replacement for corded grinders on the job site. And now, get the 18V LXT Brushless Angle Grinder with a large flush mount paddle switch for added convenience.